Hi there, and welcome back to Beauty Buzz, Timely's 3-part series designed to help you get the most out of your allocated SMS allowance. In this session, we're going to be talking about follow-up messages. These are messages that will automatically send after a client has had a service and are available to those on our Elevate or Innovate plans. You can set a different message for each service if you like, or just configure one to go out to everybody. Follow-up messages are a great way to ensure a client's appointment finishes on a high note by offering a kind, personalized message. You can include any key aftercare information they might need to guarantee the best possible results. It's also an ideal moment to ask a customer for a good review. Sending satisfied clients to your Google or Facebook listing will quickly bump up your ratings, helping new clients find you and improving your standing online. Let's take a quick look at how to set them up. First, we're going to head over to Setup, Customer Messages, click Add New Message, then select Follow-up. Choose SMS as the message type, then decide how soon after the appointment you'd like your message to go out. The time you choose will depend on your service and what you need to share with your client. If you're a hairdresser and you want them to share a photo of their cut on your social media, sending the follow-up message immediately might be a good idea. So, you catch them the moment they're walking out of your salon and feeling their best. For something like brow tattooing or laser, you might want to give them an hour or two for any residual pain to settle down before sending through the detailed aftercare instructions. Or if it's a service like a peel or injectables where you might want to check in with the client to see how the treatment is settling, send through a follow-up message in the next few days or even the following week. The nice thing about follow-up messages is that you can set as many as you like or even set up multiple follow-ups for the same service. In this section, you can also pick what services you'd like this message to apply to, or even have options to restrict the message to certain appointment statuses, to only send to new clients with no previous appointments, or to only send the message once per client. Once you've got your settings how you want them, scroll down and type what you'd like your message to say. You can use the tags at the side to pull through personal details about the client or their service. And you'll be able to see an estimate of how many SMS credits your message will use. Now, understandably, you might need to include quite a lot of information if you're using your follow-up messages for aftercare instructions. Rather than trying to fit everything you need to say into a few hundred characters, it's best to direct your clients to a page on your website with detailed aftercare instructions. That way, the only thing you need to share is a URL. If you're still finding your messages too long, you can also shorten your URL. This is great for not only aftercare, but also for review requests or any other messages where you might want to direct your clients somewhere online. You'll need to use a URL shortening service for this, but luckily there are a lot of free options available. I'm going to show you how to use Bitly, but there are loads of other options like tinyurl, Blink, or Rebrandly. Head over to bit.ly.com and create a free account. Click Create Your First Link, drop in the URL you want to shorten. Here, we're using a Timely booking link, and hit Enter. The short URL shown will now direct to your link. You can also use Bitly to create custom QR codes, which are great to print out and display in your salon for quick rebooking or review requests. Back over in Timely, using your new shorter URL, you should be able to fit everything you need into your follow-up message. Give your message a name so you can easily distinguish it from any other follow-up messages you create, and hit Save. And that's it. Sit back and watch your client experience improve and your reviews grow, all without lifting a finger. That's the sort of feature we love. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to use rebooking reminders to draw people back into your salon and grow the lifetime value of each client. Don't miss it.